Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, original, the one, the only, the official, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, trolls, or imposter trolls who steal my content, my video titles, and wear a cat mask. Alright, this is Burgh Unboxing. You've seen it before, you're going to see it again. This is the least favorite Burgh Unboxing I do because no matter what I do, I still got to open this thing up. Alright, here it is. And this is the only thing I got. I've got something else that may come in April 7th. I don't know, it's coming in a slow submarine from China. So here's the box. And oh my God. 1, 2, 3. No, that doesn't work. I'm having trouble getting this out. Of course, it doesn't always open up right. And then I got to figure out where to put this. Well, let's just tear it apart. Because I hate cat food. It's so heavy I can't get it off my lap. Then I get to. Okay. Alright, there it is. 40 pounds of thrilling tidy cat. And it was heavy to put it in the shopping cart at the post office. It was heavy to get it out of the shopping cart, and it was heavy putting it on my knees. And it's going to be heavy putting it on the floor, and I'm done. I'm going to order more cat litter when I have the money. My bank account's overdrawn thanks to the evil ratty one who would not give me a ride to the store. I had spent too much money, and I was short of a bill that was getting paid. So now instead of having paid the $11.99 bill, I don't know, $35 overdrawn plus the bill. So I had $6 in the bank. So thank you, Patty, for screwing my financial life up. Because I depended on you after you promised to take me to the store and take the golf clubs in. If I could have taken the golf clubs in, I would have had money to pay my bill. So Kathy's not very happy about it either. I go see Kathy Friday. We'll do a video, and hopefully I can get to see Cleo and Caesar. I have not seen them in months. I miss them very much. All right, that's it. That's the only package I got. And I think the troll is not sending me any packages anymore. She's probably not happy because I'm making fun at her. Well, I don't really care. She's attacking my friends, and I'm not going to put up with that. Okay, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Very warm night in Martinez. I've had the door open all night, and it's warm in here. It's not cold at all. It is 12:21 in the morning. Good Lord. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. Stay warm and dry or cool and dry. And stay safe. And I will catch you next time. And don't be a Jenny Poo. Bye-bye for now.